Promotion and Regulation of Online Gaming Bill 2025. The Indian Parliament has passed the Promotion and Regulation of Online Gaming Bill 2025. The legislation, which was approved by both the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, aims to regulate the fast-growing online gaming sector. Here are the key points of the bill. Ban on online money games. The bill imposes a complete ban on all online games played with money, regardless of whether they are based on skill or chance. This includes fantasy sports, card games like poker and rummy, and online lottery. The government stated purpose to is to curb addiction, financial fraud, and other social harms. Promotion of esports and social games. The new law makes a clear distinction between online money games and other forms of gaming. It recognizes esports as a legitimate competitive sport and promotes social and educational games that do not involve monetary stakes. The government plans to create a framework to support the growth of this segment, including establishing training academics and setting guidelines for tournaments. Penalty for violation. The bill outlines strict penalty for those who violate the law. Offering or facilitating online money games can lead to imprisonment of up to 3 years and or a fine up to rupees 1 crore. Advertising such platform can result in a jail term of up to 2 years and or a fine of up to 50 lakh. Facilitating financial transaction for these games is also a punishable offense. A regulatory authority. The bill provides for the creation of an authority to oversee the online gaming sector. This body will be responsible for categorizing games, registering platform, and providing regulatory oversight. The bill has been met with mixed reaction. While the esports industry has welcomed the move, the real money gaming industry, which includes major companies like Dream 11 and MPL, is expected to be significantly impacted.